Uh, Evening, guys. Another PS5 here with no signs of life whatsoever. Okay, so the usual suspects, fuses, tend to tell us what needs to be done. Okay, so this guy's good. Let's move over here. That's also good. Then move this side. Also perfect. Um, okay, there is one guy here. Okay, this guy's good. Almost dropped the motherboard there. Okay. Well, that didn't take long. Looks like we found our culprit. So let's do the test now. We'll put this one to ground. Okay, so this side is shorting to ground, and over here is okay. So, okay, let's see. No short, no short here, no short there, no short. Okay, there's a short there. Okay, there's a short here too. That's fine. Okay, so if we flip this board around, that was a bit messy. So if you flip this board around there, this is what we see. Um, that's okay. Okay, so possibilities are endless. Okay, so yeah, we can start over here. So let's just try to inject voltage and see what happens. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Oh, the battery is still low. Okay, let me pause a little bit. Yes, guys, so I'm back. Where is that thing? I'm back. So, we will inject voltage. Trying to do this quickly. Hopefully, it's a quick fix. Okay, where is this guy here? So, I usually do it this way. So let's start here and then we'll go up. Before we inject voltage, let's just make sure again which one of the cap was acting up. Because I got busy with something else. So refresh my mind here. Okay, that's short. That's okay. Shorting either way. Okay, so this guy is shorting also, and the small ones. Okay, so let's see. Um, let's see. Okay, we have one clip there. There's the other guy. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's see which one will act up. I don't see anything. Yeah, that's a. It is a very bad short actually. So I think this should be on the top side because I can't see anything here. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Because it's drawing about 3 point something. So the short is very tight. Let's see. I'll be able to see it there. Okay, so let's flip the board. Looks like there's nothing up here. I think this is where we're having our issue. Okay, let's apply some flux. Okay, before that, let's make sure which one was short. Okay, anyway, it was shorting on this area here, so we can't go wrong there. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Can you see it? Hey, my man is snitching there. Ooh, look at our snitch. There we go. He's been telling on the foot. He's been telling on his buddies there, man. Okay, let's go. We found our snitch. He's been telling on his buddies. Okay, okay, let's take him up and see. Okay, there we go. So he's on the side. What were we getting? We were shorting somewhere there. Okay, let's go back up, back out. So let's just see here. Probe to the ground. Okay, we are shorting here. We're no longer shorting. There's no longer shorting there. We can test these caps here. Yup. I don't know what happened there. But yeah. So our short is gone. And my man here, let's see. Yep, he's still telling. Okay, cool. So we'll remove this fuse here, replace it, find another capacitor. We should be getting a boot sequence, but basically it wasn't even doing we are not getting a boot sequence at all. So I thought maybe it was a PSU, but nope. A man here. Okay, so he's off. Okay, let's see. Get this shit off. Take your body along. Come on, fuse. Yeah, I just prefer using the solar iron instead. Somehow. Okay, so these two guys are off. So we need a laser, how do you call it? I almost say laser. We need a fuse and we need a capacitor. Okay, let me pause and figure out when I'm gonna get a fuse. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So, managed to get a fuse. This one has to go over here. Also got a capacitor. So let's put it. Okay, let's see. So you guys see better there. Hopefully it doesn't fly around. Okay, so that's sorted out. Fuse. Where are we? Don't fly, please. I knew it would fly. Okay. Okay. It's not nicely. It's not sitting properly yet. I knew. Okay. Where is it now? Fuse, come here. I hate this. I guess we need to find another one, eh? I'll be back again. Actually, it's just here. Yeah. It's yeah. One way of making sure they don't go flying around is just lowering your air pressure and also applying flux there. That flux them to keep it in place. So, okay. Yes. Turn around. Okay. Yep, that's perfect. That's looking good. Do we need to clean that thing there? I don't know. I don't think so. But why not? Yeah. Okay. So I just found some solder wick there. Let's just clean up a little bit here to make it look pretty. Hopefully, you don't make it worse. Okay, it won't change anything. So, um, yeah. Where's my brush? I always know where my things are. They're always flying around. Uh, so basically, if you're not getting any boot sequence, you can always look at this strip here. So, I was like, oh, this thing needs a power supply. Hey, could I fix the power supply today? Nope, does not need a power supply. Okay, so that's looking pretty. Let's put it back in the casing. And I'm sure his console is always standing upright. You can see that dry spot there. Okay, let's put it in the casing and see if we'll get a beep or something. There we go. Yeah, PS5 is big. Okay. PS5 is huge. This is made that slim line, so yeah, plug this guy in. The other guy too. Switch button. I just put this guy here too. Well, we don't have to. Where's the fan? Where's the fan go? So the fan does sit there. Okay, let's put it here so it doesn't short anything. Okay, guys, we're almost there. Um, yeah, so let me just turn this light off. We don't need it. Okay, that light is off now. It's plugged in. No explosion whatsoever. Are we gonna at least get a beep? No, we're not getting a beep. But the fan is turning, so PS5 is fixed. Um, well, let's let it on and over it. Let's just see that this light turns to white, and then yeah, yep, we're getting a white light there. So this thing is sorted out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace and enjoy your December. Oh, finally, yeah, perfect. Overrated. Okay, enjoy your December, enjoy your day, your night. See you on the next one.